Rose Hardy is an executive pastor of Restoration Temple Ministries in New York.
Amen.
She serves under senior pastor, overseer Yvonne M. Harrison.
Yes!
Pastor Hardy has served in ministry for 18 years.
Amen.
She has previously served as assistant pastor for Liberation and Truth Unity Fellowship Church. Pastor Hardy is a licensed mental health therapist. She is a Seton Hall University graduate. She studied at Newark School of Theology and completed the Princeton Theological Seminary Ministry and Theology Certificate Program. Pastor Hardy resides in New Jersey and is the mother of a 21-year-old son who is United States Air Force, stationed in Japan. She is partnered with Elder Betty Lord.
Amen.
Pastor